So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you why a Gemini is not generating your image realistically while it does to other, and how you can fix that. Now in order to do that, I'll just simply open the Gemini on my phone and it will look something like this. Now this is the basic interface of Gemini. What you does, you just simply add a image and write some prompt right there. Now it will not generate the realistic images because the Nano Banana feature of your Gemini is not yet selected. You first need to select that particular tool that is Gemini using to generate ultra realistic images. Now in order to select that, you just simply need to hit on this option of tools, and here you'll see this option that says create images. Once it gets selected, now you can simply add up your images and write up the prompts that you want, and it will now definitely generate a realistic and desired outputs. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.